Lahari from Neelangri branch, and today I am going to talk about Muthuswami Dikshita. Muthuswami Dikshita was born on 24 March 1775. He was a South Indian poet, singer and veena player and a legendary composer of Indian classical music. His first composition was Srinathani Guru Guho Jaiti Jaiti in the raga Maya Malav Gaula and Aditala. He is also known by his signature name Guru Guha, which is also his mudra. However, unlike the Telugu composition, his compositions are predominantly in Sanskrit. He also composed some of his kritis in Maniprablam, a combination of Sanskrit and Tamil languages. He was the eldest son of Ramaswamy Dikshita. Muthuswamy Dikshita had two brothers and one sister, Chinnaswamy and Balaswamy, and a sister, Balamba. He is popularly pronounced as Muthuswamy Dikshita, which is sweet, dear, charming, lovely, etc. in Kannada. Thank you.